Hi, this is Vince Curry. I'm going to show you how to change a needle on the PE900. It's the same on the PE800. Actually, it's the same on all the Brother machines. In your little kit, you should have a needle changing screwdriver. It's different than a regular screwdriver. It has a blunt tip on it. Right? It fits that particular groove better. All right, so now I'm going to show you a close-up of when the needle's in the proper position. Okay. Here's the shank of the needle right here, and this is a screw that comes in from the other side. The needle goes right up to that screw, which is the stop for the needle. And the flat of the needle goes towards the back of the machine. Okay, now when you loosen, I'm gonna pull the thread up out of there. All right. When you loosen the screw, now be good idea to get one of these tools. Holds the needle. You know, you can get them on Amazon. I show you the link. Let me just bring that needle up a little bit to put the tool in. Okay. And the tool goes in. And you could do it with your fingers too. All right. The tool goes up, holds onto the needle, and then you loosen up the screw. Okay. One turn should be good. All right, then, and you could drop the needle. All right, and the needle has a flat. Flat goes towards the back, and this needle is in good shape. Very sharp point, and you don't feel a burr when you go that way. Now, what wears out, believe it or not, on the needles is, get a pointer. Here's the eye of the needle. And then you got the groove. The thread lays in this groove. Now the thread whipping around, believe it or not, the hairs on the thread wear out the chrome, and it makes it sharp. So it frays the thread as it's going through. Now that happens after a while. It happens more in the event that you use metallic thread. Okay, so now you put the needle in the tool. Put the needle in the tool. And you feel for the hole. Make sure the flat's to the back. Okay. And then, of course, you're looking at the needles all the way up at the stop. I can see it. I'm peeking in. You tighten tighten this. I got the camera right in my face. All right, you tweak this up. And you pull the tool out. And then you check and make sure the needle's all the way up. And it's hitting the, you're hitting the stop. And this little piece right here is laying on top of the needle bar. That's where the thread goes. Now, it's happened to me. You replace the needle, and when you're fiddling around on the bottom, as you trying to find the hole, that little spring gets pushed back off the horizontal needle bar, and it drops down, so it does not hold the thread. You don't feel and hear the click. That's important. Okay, I've been Securi, and I thank you for watching.